Good afternoon, MarineMax friends and family. This is Thatcher Smalley coming at you from Grand Lake MarineMax, and today we're going to be looking at a recent trade-in. This is a Crest 220 Classic. It is a 2019 model, but has a ton of great interior upgrades as well as on your exterior. As you can see, this boat has the black tune guard to match the black metallic fencing. It's going to be a great look. Back here for propulsion, we have a Mercury 150, which is plenty of power to do everything you're looking to do out on the water. Making our way up into the boat, you have some stainless steel hard caps, which really plays into the durability of this boat in docking situations. You also have some polyvinyl flooring, which is great for cleaning up spills or any mud that's tracked into the boat, but also giving the interior of this boat a super rich look. For a layout, this boat is going to have your mirrored 4-style bench seating in your bow, as well as your aft seating area. It's really going to maximize your seating capacity, but also giving you a ton of underseat storage. As I mentioned, the previous owner did a ton of upgrades with the audio, added some additional speakers as well as subwoofers, which is really going to boost your experience here in the cockpit of this boat. As you can see, we have a co-captain's chair as well as your captain's chair. Built-in Fusion audio with some additional speakers. Your cooled captain's cup holder, gauge clusters, and your throttle. Here's a full look at the helm. Here at your bow, like I mentioned, you're going to have your bench-style seating on port and starboard side, as well as a ton of additional speakers, so you can really hear that music while you're underway. So if you are interested in this boat or any other boat you see in our online inventory, feel free to contact your local MarineMax. Thank you.